What's up guys, welcome back. Fox McCloud is in the Mario Galaxy movie, so let's draw him. Looking to the side, hands on the belt. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause. If you go too fast, I'm going to start with his hairy eyebrow just above halfway. So we'll curve a line down. So he's kind of frowning heavily. And this is like a hairy, sort of spiky eyebrow. And bring it back down to the front, like so. So his eye is in under there. He's like looking real serious and looking up this way. So we'll do the top eyelid first. So we'll go up and over, kind of touches his eyebrow there, and then like disappears behind it and comes down the other side. And then we'll just bring this down for the bottom eyelid. Just into the corner there. You can thicken up this eyelid line if you want. It's kind of got sort of furry sort of lines there. So his green eye looking up and to the right, just a half circle just in here. And then his pupil, the same thing. So his snout then comes out this way. Again, you can do it like sketchy, sort of hairy lines if you want. So it just comes out this way and then around for the tip of his nose and then down towards his mouth. So the black part of the nose then is in here. Just a sort of like a dog's nose. Like so. And then this white hairy section comes down this way. Just add some spikes to it. Down around. And it'll disappear sort of down, go down that way. Into his neck. So his mouth. So we have a line of his top lip just going down there, and then the mouth real sort of downturned, serious mouth, just going that way, like so. He could have like a little line on his bottom lip. Right, so he's got like a frown, just like a hairy sort of frown going that way as well. And then his other white eyebrow just comes around here and disappears around his snout. So on the side of his head goes up here, and then we have his sort of hairy mohawk thing that he's got just here in the middle of his head. Goes down behind his ear somewhere there. And like some fur lines and stuff. Right, so then ears. Spiky triangular ears. It's got an orange section, sort of an orange line that goes around, and then some like hair inside. And then his other ear. Now use your pause button if I'm going too fast. Just always remember that pause button is very handy. And this ear comes down, like so. Then we get the inner ear. So there's like an orange and white section, and then there's like some fur inside. He has that device that shoots across his eye here. So it goes this way. Like a letter C there. We're going to make it a bit three-dimensional. So we'll join those lines together. Bring this down. Down again. And then we get the projection area, the circle. That's kind of glowing green when it's on. You can draw the hologram if you want. It's done with like CGI green. So if you want to draw it, maybe I'll draw it at the end, maybe, for anyone who wants to add it just coming across his eye, because it's not drawn with a line, it's colored. But I'll add it at the end, maybe. So just some extra details along this. It's all fur there, covering sort of the edge. Right, and his like his fox sort of jaw goes out that way. So then we've got his red neckerchief, like here. And then his jacket sort of closes down either side, right? And there's like some zippers and everything in here. But we'll just do this first for the inside of the jacket and the other side of it. That way. He's got like some stitching on the edge of his red neckerchief. Okay, so his collar of his jacket bumps this way, and then we can see some more of his like white fur just going down there. And the collar of the jacket comes down. It's like a bomber jacket thing, so it's got like some bumps on it. Down here. Then it bumps down this way. It goes behind his arm. We got like some zippers and edge lines and stitching and everything on all these. Like some pockets and stuff. Just like a zipper here. Alright, so I'm just like roughly adding lines around the edges. Just makes clothing look more like clothing. It's like his shoulder pads like this, so it's bigger on this side because his body is turned away from us. And I think there's a pocket here. Okay, so his arm comes out of here and like is holding onto his belt. So we won't be able to fit all the fingers. It's kind of cut off there. So we'll go this way for his arm, just down. And his sleeve is rolled up. And there's like a strap here. We got a circle on it. And then a furry arm going in there. And he's got like another blue section on the jacket. And then his other arm. So we'll go this way. It's like another strap on the side. Bumps for the clothing. I think this is fur. And then so his belt. So say like there's a zipper going down the middle, right? And it's this kind of thingy there. And then we got this triangle belt buckle. There's another triangle beside it. Like a little sort of 3D edge lines to it. And then the other one goes down behind his hand there, so you can't really see much of that. I think the strap of it just goes into his arm. So it's just like these gloves, so his thumb comes out from the glove, around, down off the page, and then his like index finger goes down there. There's all details in there, but we'll just get the main shape first. Goes around his wrist, down, and his index finger goes around this part. And then the zipper sort of continues that way. So there's all details on his clothing, like his green jacket has different sort of stitching lines and all sorts of stuff. And then we'll just add some details on his gloves. So they're like Velcro straps with a grey edge. There, and then like some knuckle things. And then do the same over here. And that's like all fur in there. Now, so that green thing that comes out, I'll draw it lightly because it's not like a black line. I have another picture with it. So, say like just say coming out from here, lightly. So it doesn't have to be like perfect. You know, it's just like a light beam coming out there. And then it has, you could do a straight one, but in the movie it's like this. Like that around the edge, I think. Like a hologram type thing. Just comes across his eyebrow. And then goes up, across. And so it's like, it just makes everything kind of green in there. But there he is, the man himself. You can add whiskers, actually. I think he has whiskers. He does. The man of the hour. Just add a few light whiskers here. Fox McCloud. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.